I've had such a long day. I think I'm laying down for a nap.
Okay, I have to go to class.
Okay, I'll see you later.
See ya.
Wait, Avery, close my door!
Has this ever happened to you? Your lazy friends won't close your door? Well, I have the solution for you. The Door Closer 9000. Revolutionary in design and perfect for closing your doors when your lazy friends don't want to.
No, Avery, shut the door. Darn it, she left and the door's wide open. Good thing I have the Door Closer 9000. Thank you, Duke Bubbleworth, for this fantastic tool.
You're welcome. But that's not all it does.
What do you mean?
It's also a door opener.
Is that my DoorDash? Good thing I can use the Door Opener 9000. Thanks, Door Opener 9000.
Get yours now. Door Closer 9000 is only $20 and 50% off right now. But act quick, the sale won't last long.